What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at Big Idea Designs' new slim bolt action pen. It's a lot like the old version of the bolt action adjustable pen, but it's a little bit different. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look and see how it looks. Alright, so here is the packaging. Pretty basic from Big Idea Design, pretty much always the same, perfectly sealed by them. Cut that off. Alright, so and there's their website information, how to adjust the pen. So we have an extra spring. There's the Damascus bolt. That's to change out the end. And we have the tool for the adjustment. So very, very cool. Alright. Guess we can throw that out there. Okay. First impressions. Very much the same color pattern. It is longer than the standard version. But other than that, so far it looks good, except for the very different size of the end. And let's see what we have for a cartridge in here. Because it didn't say on the website. So we have a Schmidt refill 900M. I'll end up putting a fine tip in there because I prefer a fine tip over a medium for my work applications. I will say right off the bat, the bolt action is actually better on this one than it is on this one. This one here has a little bit of a grind, and it has a little bit of play in it, and I think that causes it to pivot a little bit inside the chamber. There's just a little bit of slack, but so the bolt action does feel a little bit nicer, and yeah, it doesn't have the play in the barrel chamber that this one did have. So that's a very good aspect right there. So, and as far as the tool goes, that is very cool. Like I said, you have to, this main bolt here removes the pocket clip, and then you have to use this other end to get in there to adjust it to fit whatever cartridge you eventually want to use in it. So the adjustability is not as quick on the fly like this one, because obviously you can just adjust it by hand here. So, and that makes it a lot quicker and easier to change cartridges on the fly. This one requires you to have a tool in order to adjust it on the fly. So that is a little bit of a downside for some people that are going to be really adjusting and swapping out the ink cartridges. But all in all, it feels good. I will say it right off, my first impressions really is it's slick. This machining that they put down here is doesn't do anything for you. I mean, they may as well not even done it. It's bigger on this one, I can tell, than this one, and it's not that good. Even this machining here it's not spaced out enough for you to really get much of any traction from it. But other than that, it does feel good. I like the fact that it's all the same size, and that keeps it a little more equal and feels a little bit better in hand. The awkwardness of the two different sizes of the whole barrel is just kind of annoying. I guess you get used to it after a while, but first impressions, yeah, very nice. Like I said, the bolt action is a little bit smoother on the new one, the Slim, than it is on this one. This one just had a little bit of an issue. So, very cool. Very cool. I'm very excited to take it out and use it every day at work. And I probably will change out and put the Damascus bolt on. So, very nice. Alright guys, that is the Big Idea Design Bolt Action Slim. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.